Hi everyone, my name is MD Ibrahim Ali Raju and I am a UPG sustainability leader from Bangladesh. I am deeply passionate about creating positive change in my community, focusing on SDG 4 quality education. With my community project, Dreams Through Education, empowering street and slum children in Sylhet, I have been working to empower underprivileged children by providing them access to quality education and creating opportunities for a brighter future. Going to Hurricane Island would be an incredible opportunity for me to enhance my leadership skills, gain advanced training, and bring back innovative solutions to reduce critical problems of my community. I would love your support on this journey. Please vote for me to go forward on the next step. Thank you so much for believing me and my mission. Together we can create a sustainable change.